Hi everyone, and welcome back to another crafting video. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to design and customize our Motel keychains. Motel keychains are pretty popular nowadays, and they make for a great gift. So let's get started on the materials we will be using for today.
Now here are the materials we're going to be using for this project. I'm first going to grab the matte white printable sticker vinyl. If you have seen my videos before, you know that this is a product that I always gravitate to because the print quality is always amazing. It feels great. It's super smooth, unlike other sticker vinyls I have used. And then of course we have the teckwrapcraft squeegees, and I wanted to show you guys how it looks like when you order them. So when you order these, it comes in a pack of 2. So you're gonna get 2 felt pieces and 2 squeegees. So I'm gonna show you guys my favorite way of applying the felt. What I like to do is fold the felt in half, kind of where you see these cuts, just so I can have a guideline of where exactly I want to place my squeegee. And I always recommend adding this felt piece because this felt piece saves your vinyl from any scratches, and it just glides so much smoother. So I'm very happy that teckwrapcraft includes these felt pieces. And a bonus feature that I see with these squeegees is that if you can see those 2 ridges in the middle, whenever I make beer glass cans, I actually take my other squeegee that I'm not using for my vinyl and place it down on my table and put the cup right on top of those 2 ridges. It serves as a great way to hold the cup in place while I work. And for getting those pesky air bubbles out, we're gonna have our needle pen on hand. For the Motel keychains, I'm going to be using the clear glitter Motel keychain, as well as the simple and elegant clear keychain, and this pink keychain in the shade light pink. And I love how they all have gold hardware. Now for vinyls, we're going to be using this sweet pink vinyl. Next, we'll be grabbing the powder blue vinyl, and you can find these vinyls in the 001G series. In this powder blue, I have silicone bands that help hold the vinyl rolls together, and it's absolutely easy and makes storing so much easier. And here I have the gold foil, this vinyl in livable green. Livable green is a color that I tend to gravitate to, especially in the springtime. Then we have a basic white vinyl and our pale purple vinyl. Now, coming over to Cricut Design Space, I actually found the perfect templates for this project. I went ahead and just searched Motel Keychain, and these are just perfect sizing, so I didn't have to resize or anything. For the first design, I'm going to make this a Mother's Day themed gift. So I just took some varsity letters that spelled out Mama, and I will be just changing up the colors a tiny bit to match my project and help me visualize. Having a template or some sort of size reference for your project is always a hot tip of mine. This allows you to work more efficiently and not have to constantly go back and forth and cutting different sizes and seeing what fits. Now here's the keychain that I will be using, the printable sticker vinyl. Because this project has a offset that is white, I'm going to go ahead and apply a gray square and send it backwards. This is so that it allows me to actually see the white background and be able to size it accordingly. And then what I'm going to also do is change the square to a pink color, just so I can get an idea of how it's gonna look. But already seeing the colors on this image, I know it's gonna go so well with the pink. Now the last keychain design is actually going to serve as kind of a gift for a friend who just passed their driver's test or who may have just gotten their first car. That's why I'm saying that these keychains can be such a universal gift for anyone and for almost everything. And unlike other competitors, teckwrapcraft has an easy way on how to unwrap your rolls. So if you look on top, you can actually see a little scored tab. If you can't see it from one side, you'll see it from another. And slowly rip it down all the way. Maybe I can rip it down. Ugh, it broke, but it's okay. It's still going to be easy to remove. So we're just gonna slide it all the way off like a jacket and take it off. And once that's taken care of, you're ready to work. Except you just have one more step. Teckwrap always has the reminder on top to always remove the protective layer before you start cutting. Now here comes the most satisfying part, weeding out the vinyl that we will be using. I love not only watching people work with teckwrapcraft vinyl, but also weeding it myself. It's never a hassle to get all the small parts out. As you can see, it's just weeding every detail perfectly. And since I have been working with teckwrap vinyl for a while, I actually noticed in the gold foil I am using, there's some type of texture in the back part. And I believe because this is their bubble-free gold foil vinyl, their technology is the secret to keeping bubbles away from our projects. I always tend to find that I have many issues working with specialty vinyls such as the gold foil, but using the teckwrapcraft transfer tape, it actually works very well, and I tend to have no problems when I adhere the vinyl correctly onto the transfer tape. Now working with this design, I'm actually going to stack my vinyls together before adding it to the product. Just because with this design, since it kind of has to be in a specific place, I want to make sure that everything is placed perfectly before it's adhered to the product. And I love how these turned out, especially with the vinyl colors I chose. These colors of the 001 G series are timeless and perfect for any time during the year. Let's go ahead and work on our print and cut keychain. Make sure that I'm not folding or damaging the sticker that I will be using. I'm just going to go ahead and fold over the sides of the surrounding sticker vinyl. And just like that, we have created another beautiful motel keychain. I just love the saying, I love the design, and it is going to be a perfect pick-me-up for every day. Thank you guys so much for following along with me on this video. And if you liked this tutorial, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!